Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for tuning in today's video. I'm going to be washing my daughter's hair in twists. Reason being that I don't have enough time today to unravel this hair and to wash it, because at the moment I don't have time to do another hair for her. So I decided to wash this hair in twists, and also to prevent tangles, avoid breakage, and for length retention. So to wash her hair, I'm going to be using Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Extra Moisture Retention Shampoo to wash her hair. I already started by washing the hair. This is the second time I'm applying the shampoo, and I just decided to film the video for you guys. Same time, my daughter is 7 years old. I'm beginning to teach her how to care for her natural hair all by herself. So in today's video, if you see her most of the time washing her hair, it's just because I just decided to start teaching her little by little by starting with washing her twist hair, because I thought it wise that if I start with loose hair, maybe it's going to be very difficult for her. So today she's going to be trying to wash her hair by herself. She just finished rinsing off the shampoo from her hair now. So I'm going in now with Shea Moisture Conditioner, which according to the instruction it says you should walk it through the hair generously from root to end. Leave it for 3 minutes, or then rinse it thoroughly, or for deep conditioning leave on for up to 15 minutes. So it all depends on you how long you want to leave it on, maybe for 3 minutes or for 15 minutes for deeper conditioning. Now she just finished washing her hair and then took a shower, and I just put this towel on her hair. Now immediately she just finished dressing up, I just took the towel again out because I need to put or to apply the Jamaican black castor oil strengthening and restore leave-in conditioner, the same Shea Moisture product. So before applying this, I just want to unravel one of her hair just to show you how long her hair is, and also to show you how the hair looks, no tangles, and the length of her hair. This is the best way for me for length retention and also to prevent tangles. For the cleanliness of the hair, for me, I have tried several times to wash my hair in twists and my daughter's hair in twists, and it's not actually 100% clean. Even this one I just unravel, you can see some whitish residue at the bottom. So I don't know about you. If you really have any trick on how to wash natural hair in twists to be clean, please leave it in the comment section. I would love to read your comment. I have tried severally, even in mini twists. It doesn't work. It does not work well for me. Thank you all so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.